that he helped me understand more about markets.
I think his knowledge is so good for everyone.
This is really a chance to get insights from a person who is more than 10 to 15 years in the market.
Really good at explaining everything about it. Because he's showing all the understanding from as the lady mentioned, from the kindergarten, that is really important at the beginning to understand it.
He explains why so many fails, and I understand now why so many fails, and I understand that I have to dig a little bit deeper into the day trading. Because of Bobby, I understand how massive tool that is to know. He's very warm. It's very comfortable to be in the same room as Bobby, so really, really good.
He explained it quite simple, not just for me, for my girlfriend as well. She's totally new in this market, and she was totally happy to get this information, especially since it was easily conveyed from Bobby.
I want to go home and already start to investigate.
Helped me master some skills after this session.
Honestly, I'm thinking of taking the course because I think like Bobby's knowledge is so good, and I want to see myself as a trader, and I don't want to learn from YouTube. I want to learn from a legit person.